So we're given three dice here, and each one has six sides, and the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the six faces. And the condition we're given is that the sum of the three numbers that are facing up when you toss these three dice is 12. Question is at least one of the numbers 5. So it's a yes/no question. I'll start with statement 1. It says none of the three numbers that are facing up is divisible by 3. So that means statement 1 rules out 3 and 6. So we're only working with 1, 2, 4, and 5 as the possible outcomes on the three dice. So here I need to get a sum of 12. So you'll see that I can't have two ones or two twos. Instead, I'll just start with the 5. So if I have two 5s, I can get to the sum of 12 if I have a 2 here. Now, in this case, the answer is yes to the question. Now, if I can come up with a no, that is, I can satisfy all the conditions without a 5, then that would be my no, and the statement would be insufficient. So if I do 4, 4, 8, and then I'll need another 4. So all 3 are 4s. In this case, that would be a no. So statement 1 alone is insufficient. Now, if we look at statement 2, it says that of the numbers that are facing up, 2, but not all 3 are equal. So 2 of them are going to be equal. And I'll again come up with examples, yes and no. So if we have 5 and 5, I'm going to actually reuse that example. That would be a yes. Now, if I look at the example, I can't really use this example anymore because it says 2 are equal, but not all 3, because here all 3 would be equal. So I have to bring a 6. So if I have a 6, now I can't have two 6s because then the third number would bring the sum to be greater than 12. So I'll keep 1 6 and then 2 3s. And that would be a no because I'm satisfying all the conditions. Now, if I combine 1 and 2, I know that I have to choose between 1, 2, 4, and 5. I also need the sum to be 12. So again, I know 5 and 5, 10, 12. This example would work. That would be a yes. Now, if I exclude 5, can I get a sum of 12? Well, the only case would be if I have 3 4s, because if you have 2 4s, you'll be short, meaning if you replace this with 2, that would be 10. If it's 1, you're not going to get 2 12 again. This would be 9. And if I have 2 2s or 2 1s, then it would be even less. So all other outcomes that satisfy both the statements will not include 5. So the only possibility is that, yes, at least one of these numbers would be 5. And the answer is both choices together, statements together are sufficient. Answer is C.